He said something about I had cyst cancer or something, and that I needed it right away.
Yolanda Moody has a familiar story. She says earlier this year, Dr. Javaid Perwaiz told her she needed surgery, and she felt pressure to follow his medical opinion.
I was scared. I'm like, okay. He said, because it looks cancerous. So I had the surgery.
But now, following his arrest, she's part of a growing number of patients coming forward to say they're worried Perwaiz did more than he was supposed to do.
It's sad, because I'm literally scared.
Perwaiz remains in jail without bond as questions swirl about how the doctor was allowed to keep practicing. He faces federal charges and is accused of performing unnecessary surgeries on unsuspecting women and then billing Medicaid. State records say he had hospital privileges at Bon Secours Health Center at Harborview in Suffolk, Bon Secours Maryview Medical Center in Portsmouth, and Chesapeake Regional Medical Center. Today, spokespeople for the hospitals wouldn't comment on the allegations, but Bon Secours told us they're now doing an internal investigation and cooperating with investigators. We also asked the Virginia Board of Medicine about Perwaiz, but they didn't answer any of our questions about how he was able to keep practicing, instead directing us to publicly available information on their website. State records show he faced similar allegations in the 1980s, but was only censured by the board. His license was temporarily revoked in the 1990s when he pleaded guilty to tax evasion, but since then, he's been allowed to keep practicing.
Finally, I have been stressing this for years.
Tabitha Johnson, a former patient, told us she's been sounding the alarm on him for years.
I feel he should be prosecuted for what he did.
And as we've been reporting, at least 14 of his patients are taking legal action against him. So in addition to the criminal charges, civil litigation is also coming. I'm Brendan Ponton, News 3.